Hey guys, I got some updates for you on Bitcoin. Some are good, some not so good. First, let's take a look at the chart. So, I want to draw your attention first to this level here on Friday, the 25th of July. And after we had this big breakout here of the resistance, and we tried to break down here out of this channel we were forming. This served as a support zone, and here it got broken, so not a very strong support, okay? Now, where does this correspond to? This corresponds to the same exact point we're at right now. In the channel, here we've been forming since August. One, two, three, four, like 4 points here. So it is a mature channel. Now, we just broke out of it. And if you zoom in here, this line in the middle, this green line here is the 21 EMA. All right. You could, take a long when you have a uptrend, when you have a pullback to the 21 EMA, you can take a long off of it, but you need to see a little bit of a bounce. So Bitcoin kind of on the ledge here, and if this doesn't hold, it's gonna come down to 111 to back where this drawdown stopped here, or even lower. Not saying it's going to happen, but we are weighing both possibilities. Now, to the upside, we have this point of control here, this high volume area at this price around 118. This is our big hurdle. If we can get across this level, we should have enough momentum to go up and make new highs. Targets 135 and higher, okay? So I did pick up some IBIT on Friday, and this was before we broke out of this channel here. So just, wanted to let you guys know about this, that this is a potential breakdown forming where, if we do go down here, this will form a lower low. So that would be a big shift towards the downside. We'll monitor it and see. However, I did a check of the news to see if there was anything interesting going on, and nothing too major. However, there is this headline here. Paolo Ardoino, if I hope I pronounced that correctly, says Bitcoin is certainly ahead of political bombshell teased for Tuesday. I read through this article, and it doesn't say anything about what the rumors are. So I pulled up a little help from Grok, and let's take a look at that. Same headline, and then it says views such as stating that Bitcoin, gold, and land are the hedge against incoming darker times. I guess he is hinting at rising inflation, and tariffs, and jobs getting worse, so stagflation, all that great stuff. Highlighting its role as a stable asset. Okay, so we already know that, but nice to have somebody speaking the message. But the next thing he said is, it's a defining moment that could reshape U.S. Bitcoin politics. Very cryptic. We don't know. So the primary rumor is it has to do with the Clarity Act. And the speculation centers on progress with the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act bill, blah, 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 blah. Commodities like Bitcoin introduce risk disclosures, 3-year safe harbor for decentralized projects to encourage innovation and regulatory clarity. Okay, that's a good 3-year time period there, buffer. And let's see what the other rumors include. Potential bans on CBDCs. I thought that was established, but maybe it's not in writing. Regulatory actions on Bitcoin mining. I'm not sure what that would be. Maybe something energy related, or political endorsements, possibly linked to Trump family crypto initiatives. This could go both ways. Maybe he's buying Bitcoin. We'll find out. However, skeptics like investor Fred Krueger suggest it might be engagement farming for attention rather than substantive news. I guess we're going to find out on Tuesday, but it may be something legal like the Clarity Act or something about CBDCs or Bitcoin mining. So I'll update you guys tomorrow in my after the market close review. And any questions, put them below. If you have any thoughts on what the rumors are, please put them in the comments so we can all discuss. All right. See you guys.